We are pleased to show you the 2019 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trip computer, MP3 capability, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, clock, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, brake assist, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.